Stock investing for beginners. Today I'm going to talk about April stock market predictions and forecasts, 5 reasons why stock markets haven't crashed yet. I'm going to give you one bonus reason at the end of the video. Most people don't know these reasons, so that's going to be really interesting. February I made 1,871 for February 1st to February 2nd. Let's look at second week, February 5th to February 9. I made 3,000, short-term gain 6,800, but I took losses on some stocks that I do not like anymore, that I don't believe in anymore. It's okay to take losses. If you are holding crap, that crap's never gonna get better. But if you release the crap, you have space for other good companies, other good stocks. That's what smart investors do. Let's look at next week. From February 12th to February 16th, I made over 1,900. How about next week? 19th to 23rd, I made over 6,900. So it's close to 7,000. Let's look at the last 4 days of the month. February has only about 29 days. Of course, so Saturdays, Sundays are holidays, so we only have about 20 days for trading, and they also have some public holidays in February, so less than 20 days. So I made over 6,400 for 4 days periods. So in total, from February 1st to February 29, how much did I make? 20,330. Short-term gain 24,000 even. Long-term gain, I took some losses, so it comes to 20,000 plus. So through the commissions, I only paid $157 to my broker. Can you believe that? You see, in this business, your cost is so little. So what do you need? You need education. You need some money to start trading. Of course, you don't need to have hundreds of thousands of dollars. You can start with a few hundreds or to a few thousand. The most important is education. If you are just starting, you can open an account. The link is going to be in the description, comment down below. Some people ask me how much they need to invest to get gains like mine. I'm going to show you there are 3 reasons that you need to listen to them completely so you will understand better. I have some losses. That's very normal. Every business have losses. Even if you put your money in the bank, you will still lose because of inflation, and the bank's gonna use your money to make money, and they will give you so little. So I have some losses, but if you look at it, my gains are more than my losses. That's the only way that I can be profitable all the time. It's very normal for somebody like me to profit all the time, and you can be too. So if you look at how much I invested to get gains, for example, this one 2,145, but I got about 4,224, 2,000 profit, double. And this one 187.51, 1,461. And if you look at this is only $10. Then I gained 1,159. So the gains vary. It's very normal. If you are working 9 to 5, 9 to 6 p.m., then your salary will always be fixed. Even if you get salary, you still need to put overtime. You see, your salary every month is fixed, but you need to do free overtime so many times, right? So this is much better. I don't want it to be fixed. So I don't know how much I will gain. I'm sure that I will be profitable almost every day or every week or every month. But I can't tell you exactly, oh, I invest only this amount to gain this amount. I invest 1,000 to gain 10,000, or 2,000 to gain 20,000. No, there's no fixed amount like that. That's the beauty of stock investing, option trading, call option, put options, advanced options. So there's no fix. I can be working only 1 to 2 hours, 3 hours a day. I can make a lot of money. And the most important thing is education. I've been studying and investing. I graduated with finance and economics majors. So for more than 10 years, I've been doing these things. So accumulation of all my knowledge, experience, and educations. That's my second answer. The third answer is, even if you are right, even if you are expert, it can be really hard for you to make so much money in one time. So you need to keep trading all the time. Just like me, I keep trading all these things. In total, in February, I used about 197,000, but it doesn't mean that I have 197,000. No, I don't need to use 197,000. I just need to use 2,000 at a time, 3,000 at a time, 5,000 at a time, 187 at a time, $10 at a time, 4,900 at a time to get accumulated gains of 20,000, 20,333. So these are my three answers. Investment amount varies. And second thing, education experience. The third thing is you need to do it consistently. And these three can give you complete picture. So there is no right one answer. These three are right and complete answer. You can make use of it and use it in your trading. Do it consistently every single day, and you can be patient for 5 years, 10 years, then you can have gains like me. Anybody can have gains like me. If you want to learn more, comment down below what do you want to know more. S&P 500 was up 3.25% for the past month. Nasdaq, it was up 2.83%. Dow Jones, it was up 1.04%. So the corrections that everybody was expecting hasn't come yet. There are some good reasons why they have not come yet. The corrections, the pullbacks, yes, it got a little bit of pullback, but no, it's nothing major. It's very, very normal. Stock market is up and down every week or every day. And if you look at the past history, S&P 500, all election years since 1950, and even for election years after 10% gain previous year, look at that. March, April, it was down. Like I said before in my previous video about predictions, and I said that yeah, it could be down in March, later part of the March or April, but looks like it may not be down so much. History can be changed. Like I said before, it will not be down so much because of so much cash lying around outside of the equity market. So like I expected before it happened, if it doesn't happen in March or April, I suspect it will probably happen in August, September. And because I've been trading stocks and investing in stocks for some time, it's usually August, September, October we see some corrections that everybody was thinking, oh, when will it go back again? So if everybody is asking, oh, will it go back again? That's probably corrections. I'm going to tell you 5 reasons. I'm going to give you one bonus reason at the end of the video. Reason number 5 is because whenever the stock market was planning to go down, something happened. Apple was in talks with Google. They are still talking to use Gemini AI in Apple phone. So Apple stock has been going down. Because of this news, Apple stock jumped, Google Alphabet stock jumped. So they pulled the rest of the stock market up. So the stock market did not go down. The 4th reason is Nvidia. Nvidia is up 19.21%. It was down a little bit, but after AI conference, it went back up again. So you see, so if you miss 926.69, you have opportunity to buy at 857 on March 11. Yeah, you missed that. Then you have another opportunity to buy around 878. Then you missed that. Now it's all-time high, 942.89 on 22nd March, Friday. So yeah, if you invested even at the top, you were unlucky. Yes, you invested at the top, you will still be richer than somebody who has never invested before. That's the way of stock market. And reason number 3, it's gonna be Fed. Everybody was thinking the Federal Reserve might reverse their course of actions. They might hike the interest rate again. Everybody was worried because of higher than expected inflation data. But Jerome Powell said we might have 3 rate cuts this year, and he sounded dovish, and they're not going to change the course of action. So stock market went back up again. So every time stock market dropped, there came a reason for the stock market to go up again. Then what's the reason number 2? It's because there is so much money outside of equity market. If you look at that, for retail in money market funds like certificate of deposit and bonds, they have 2.3 trillion on March 6th, and then they have 2.39 trillion on March 13th. It went up. Then they have 2.399 trillion on March 20th. So there's so much cash lying around. For institution, yes, it was 3.69 trillion. Then it increased a little bit, 2.718 trillion on March 13. 1 week later, it dropped 3.646 trillion because they took out the money from money market funds. They put it in the equity market because they missed the rally started from October 2022, 2023, and they don't want to miss out. They watch my channel and they thought, oh, he's getting rich from stock markets, or his audience is also getting rich. I don't want to miss out. So lots of institutions are putting cash in the equity market. So every time there is a dip buying opportunities. Reason number 1, U.S. economy stays strong, no recession fear. So the market has been so bullish, it's very, very hard for it to drop, especially when there's so much cash lying around. And the bonus reason is because I bought Nvidia and Microsoft, and my audience probably have bought it the same. And my gain is 94.11%, 45,700. And when I bought it, it was only 48,000. Right now, I'm sitting on 94,000 value for Nvidia. Microsoft, yes, I bought it 41,000. The cost was only 339 at the time. 123 shares. It looks really nice. 1, 2, 3. And right now, I'm sitting on 52,000, 53,000. So yeah, because I bought it, lots of people bought stocks, and I'm holding these stocks, great companies. So nobody is selling them. So of course, if nobody is selling them, the only way for them to go up is go up, because there's so much cash lying around. They miss out the rally. That's why it's very important. History indicates some indications, but it's not exact science. So that's why it's very important to keep investing. Even if it drops, I can use put options to protect my portfolio. I don't care. I can use advanced option to keep profit every week, every month. And next one, do not use margin. So really important for you to take advantage of this 2024 rally. Do not use too much margin. If you use too much margin, if the stock market drops suddenly, you will get margin call. You need to sell stocks at a loss. So you don't want to do that. Second, get ready to buy the dip. The third, master stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option. These ones are very, very, very important. Why? If you don't know how to invest, you may end up buying stock like AMC. AMC, all the stocks have been going up, like Microsoft, Google, Alphabet, Meta, Nvidia, they have been going up, but AMC is going down 33.22% year to date. If you bought GameStop, you still lost money. Even if this is a bull market, you still lost money. Look at that. And Rivian, yeah, it used to be really hot, 48.82% down year to date. That's why it's very, very important to know which stock to invest in. Watch my videos in my playlist. If you want to know what I buy, what I trade, you can always click the link down below. Click here, I will see you inside. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now. If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist: stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.